ass. It wasn't me. So fellas, another day. We got a big order for some cedar. Look how big this thing is.
Mark, spread that blade out a little bit more. You're good.
You guys ever seen cedar that big?
Is your hose on? We could wash this off. Oh, the part.
I mean, it's too late.
No, with a new blade.
Yeah. I don't think we had the right tension the whole time.
No.
I don't know where the battery died. This cedar log's really tough. It's got divots in it, left and right. I mean, that's what's left. Look at this material. And they're all my family members. Oh, watch your fingers. No, I got it. I got it in the phone. Yeah. So, you know what happened to this guy?
There it is. Okay. Yeah.
You want to tell him or no? Yes! Yes! It wasn't me! Yes! It wasn't me! Yes! It wasn't me! Oh my god! That's fantastic! Guys, look at this! Say hi, Mark! Look at that!
Check out the blade. The blade is
Oh my god! Listen! Look at the.
Bro, it must have hit that. It was turning all the way up. Like literally.
Look!
It was all the way around.
Gentlemen, it was not me. Nope. Happy it wasn't me.
It's not the bearing. The bearing is untouched.
Really?
So it's literally just a washer, a bolt, and a nut.
Fantastic. Threaded rod.
No, yeah, it's a big bolt.
So we're not going to sharpen it. You don't think we're going to sharpen this part? Mark at it again. Hey, so the good thing is when you hit the lock stop, the sawmill does not keep going. Yeah, the blade is rounded off. Oh, Mark popped the LT15 cherry. That's great. Hey, fellas, would you replace this? I mean, it still works. There's nothing wrong with it.
It still works.
Why do we have to take this off? Let's see the damage. It's not really damage. I think that's just